how can you use a teaching board app on your devices, for example, on your phone or Androids or iPads? Let me talk about it and explain that. If it's your first time in here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So first of all, if you need a board app, like a whiteboard app, you can get it from the Play Store or App Store, depends on your device. And there are a few options, like the Microsoft Whiteboard is a solid one because it's linked with your Microsoft account and it works well. It's developed very nicely. And on the Androids, for example, I like to use an app which is called Miro. Obviously, it also works on the iPad or iPhone, but using those apps, you can set up the interface to draw, to use perhaps a stylus or Apple Pencil to, explain stuff and use it for teaching where you can paste some photos, elements, or whatever else you need. And that's how you can just teach and transfer, information to other people. The important part is that for this works ideally with the combination with the screen recording. So on the iPad, for example, I would just go to the control center and set up the screen recording and make sure that all of the stuff which I'm teaching is also going to be captured as a video of my screen. So I can use a teaching app like this, like a whiteboard teaching app, while explaining the things right here, and I will have the ability to basically just explain stuff and capture it directly inside of that video, which I can then share or do whatever else I want with it. So this is just a basic guide. In case you would love to go a little bit deeper than that, then let me know about it below in the comments. It's possible I'll make more videos about it in the future, but for now that's gonna be about it, and I'm gonna catch you later in the future uploads. Hit the thumbs up and I'll see you then.